To access a Precious Memories, the beta version, open up a client record, click on Print Engine, click on Stationery, select Precious Memories Beta. Collapse your menu on the left to give yourself a little bit more room. The beta version has a few new features. You can save a local copy, you can save your custom settings, and you can print to a PDF or multi-page PDF print. As you can see here, make a local copy of Precious Memories Stationery. This will set up the system to save your templates. So the first step is to choose a theme. As you scroll down, you will see the various options. Click on any of those options, and that takes you to step 2. Scroll through the list of all the options and check all that you would like to do. Do one for now, and click on Proceed. The bookmark is a very basic stationery item, but it's easy to show you how we can do basic changes to any stationery item. As you mouse over any of the fields, you will see where the information is drawn. I have my mouse over the photo and it says deceased photo on the left. As you put your mouse over the name, deceased first and last names, you also have the date of birth and the date of death. To make some changes, if you want to click on the photo as an example, right now it's using an edge feather frame. If you click on the drop down, this provides a few of the different options. You can click on any of these options and the frame loads onto the page. If you want to make that a little bit bigger, just drag and drop using the arrow button. You can also copy this, remove the other photos if this is what you would like to do. Right click and paste. And the image will appear where you can drag and drop it to where you would like it to sit. To change the font, just click on the text, and you can use all of these options up here with the font and the font size, the coloring, the alignment, spacing, text effects. You can also delete any of these fields by clicking on it and then right-clicking and deleting. If you would like to add more information, you can click on Fields on the left-hand side and choose the category. So Deceased Basic as an example. This gives you all of the fields that are available under the Deceased Basic category. So you can just click through until you find the field that you would like. If you would like the clergy as an example, you can just drag and drop it and place it where you would like it to go. The information from these fields is drawn from the records, so if the record doesn't contain the information, then it won't be visible here. If you need to modify the field, you can either go back into the record and enter the information and save it, and then it will be drawn to your stationery, or you can add some static text. So if you right-click, Add Text, you'll see the static text here, enter data, modify fields. You can move that around by just dragging and dropping it. Anyway, you can play as much as you would like by adding information from these fields. You can also add other elements. Right-click to see some options. Add text, add prayer. Also, if you click on Edit, add static text, add prayer, add image element. So to add a prayer as an example, you click on Insert Prayer and choose from the categories and use the next and previous buttons to find a prayer that you would like. Insert the prayer, save. You will see it loads up here. You just drag and drop it to where you would like it to go, and then alter the font accordingly. You can also use this on any piece of stationery to add an image element. Select image, structural for example. There's an arrow. You want to insert that, select the image, click on save, and then you can just drag and drop it to where you would like it to be located. Obviously not on a bookmark, but if you have some signage or something along those lines that you would like to use these elements, it's very easy to do so. Once you've made all the changes that you would like, click on Preview. You would then click on PDF to create a PDF document for saving or printing, and then you can also save to your record. When complete, click on File and Save. If this is a template that you would like to use on other records, select File, Save Custom Settings, provide a name for the custom setting, and then Save As, and then click on Save. When you return to the stationery at a later time, you can open the same page, this bookmark page for example, and then apply the custom settings created for the record. To do that, click on File, Load Custom Settings. If you would like to print multiple pages, click on File, Multi-Page Print.